Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve improvements on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve improvements on Shein app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here, Shein. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you will find here update in this blue sign as you see, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.